Got the Samsung here. Seems to be something stuck inside of it when I start the dryer. Make a very loud noise. Obviously something's stuck in there. Gonna take it apart and see what's wrong. Alright, so I actually opened it up here now that I got it unplugged and pulled away, and I turned the drum a little bit and there was a loud thunk, so I'm not sure what that is, but we're going to take it out and have a look. Here's actually how you open the lid on these. You got to kind of get in here and pull forward and up at the same time. And front pops right up and it opens just like so. Now that I've got the top open, I can already see there's some type of problem here. The belt is obviously loose, so we'll have to take it apart further and get done on the bottom side of the drum. And I'm going to proceed to take out these two screws on either side here. And this one in the middle. And we'll pop off this bottom screw here. Keep track of that one, it's got a little washer. And now we're kind of loosening the top here. Now while I'm at it here, I'm going to want to unclip the wires here. And there's another clip. You can see it, but it's back behind there. When I right under there's another clip I'm going to get. Now there's two screws right here. Holding the front panel on. These also have the washer. Hopefully we can get this front panel apart here. I'm clipping the wire back here. And with that, we've got the front cover off. Now we're looking at the bottom of the dryer. We're going to take off the front dust cover here. These three screws here. You can see back in there. Right back there is the motor that spins the drum. We gotta get to that. Pull the lint vent out, the lint trap out. And now I'm just going to pull these 4 screws here to get the drum out. If you can see, there's little tabs there on the bottom, on the top of these. You can pull the screws out and they'll stay in place. Wires out of the way. Good. Gently lift the front bracket here out. You gotta be careful because there is a wire on the lower end there that I don't want to pull. So just need that now. Okay, and hook the wire down here. This my belt's already unattached. We'll slide the drum out. Now with the drum out of place, you can see we've got a problem here. Tensioner wheel is pretty much shot, it looks like. like it got stuck and melted for some reason. So that's not good. This washer or dryer is 1 year old. It's like it melted right off the bearing. As you can see, the clip holds the wheel on. The wheel is completely melted apart. And the triangular clip, kind of like what you see on these other wheels, is already off. So I should be able to just pull that bushing off of there. I guess it's not even a bearing, it's just a bushing. Wow. So I'll see what I can find to order a new one of those and get it put on. Probably vacuum off this dust. Inspect the belt. Looks like there's quite a bit of wear from the belt. I was able to find a new pulley and idler arm and everything all together here on Amazon. It's actually pretty cheap, and this one, as you can see, actually came with a ball bearing instead of the original bushing. So I'll post a link to this part that I got off Amazon. Unfortunately, it's a third-party seller, so your mileage may vary as to whether or not you get a actual ball bearing, but hopefully they're all shipping that way now. So then I'll just go ahead and remove the screw here for the old arm and put the new one on. I'm going to be careful to check the orientation of this spring before I take it apart. Once it's tightened down, idler arm still moves freely. So then once we feed the belt on there, this arm will actually pull way up to the top position here. So now we'll put the drum back in. Got the drum here. Put the belt around there. Make sure it's sitting on the rear wheels. Alright, I'm just going to reach in here and get the belt in position. And then be able to just feel the motor and pull the idler pulley right around the belt. S fashion. Comes from the top around the pulley and then it zigs back here around the motor. Put the front of the dryer back on here now and make sure I plug in the moisture sensor. The wheels underneath the drum and lift the brackets into place on each side. Careful because it's sharp. Plug in the moisture sensor. Make sure the drum spins freely. And then put in the 4 screws holding the drum into place. Come off the top here, we'll put that back on. Put the wires through there. plugs in one of these wires. Actually, I'm going to unplug this for now. It's a little tight. A little tight when this lid is folded up. And replace the bottom vent cover here. Gotta make sure you get it all the way behind the vent trap here. Put the 3 screws back in place. Alright, make sure the vent trap fits in. You have to get the bottom in first. Clips in the bottom and then snap it in on the top. That should hold it. And first you want to make sure you connect the light. Actually, if you unhook the wires over here, you get the slag. There we go. There we go. Snap the front on, and now just put the screws in. For the screws, hopefully you can see this, but the 3 screws with the washer go in through the face here. And then the last 3 go here, here, and here. Finally, make sure you get all the wires fed through their clips here. Hook them together. And lower the front cover down. Once it's aligned, it just snaps down in place. Now the real test. Plug the dryer back in. And we'll see what happens. Sounds like it's running. And there you have it. Another successful repair. Hopefully this helped you, and take a look at the comments to get a link to the parts I used. Thanks for watching. You don't know if you do?
No.
These are kind of dry.